Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 3 online tutorial. Our subject for today is science, and it is taken from strand 5, humans and the environment. Substrand 3, science and industry. Indicator 1, ways food gets spoiled. Ways food gets spoiled. We are going to look at some basic ways that the foods we have in our homes get spoiled. Let's look at the keyword here, food spoilage. Food spoilage can be defined as a change in food's normal state. A change in food's normal state is what we term as food spoilage. Such changes can be detected. We can get to know such changes by smell, when the smell changes. Taste, when the taste of the food also changes, it makes us get to know that the food is spoiled. By touch, certain foods are solid, but when they go bad or when they spoil, when you touch them, they become a form of liquid or very soft. So by touch, we get to know that some foods are spoiled. And by sight, by looking at it, sometimes you see bubbles at the surfaces of food. It makes you know that the food has gone bad. Let's look at some of the causes of food spoilage. One cause of food spoilage is oxygen. Oxygen is important for life. Oxygen is very, very important because all living things need oxygen to survive. Oxygen is important for life. It can have bad effect on fats. Though oxygen is very important, it can also have bad effects on fats. Food color, vitamins, flavors, and other food constituents. Oxygen can have bad effects on these food substances. Oxygen can cause food spoilage in several ways. We will look at two ways that oxygen can cause food spoilage, though there are several ways that oxygen can cause food spoilage. It can provide conditions. The first way that oxygen can make food go bad is that it can provide conditions that will enhance the growth of microorganisms. It will provide conditions that will enhance, that will provide the growth of microorganisms. The second one is, it can also cause damage to foods with the help of enzymes. Oxygen can cause damage to food with the help of enzymes. The key words here are microorganisms and enzymes. Let's briefly explain microorganisms. Let's explain microorganisms. Microorganisms are organisms or living things that we do not see them with our naked eyes unless we use a machine. Examples of machines that we can use to look at microorganisms are the microscope. We use the microscope to look at microorganisms. Examples of microorganisms are pathogens, that is, bacteria, viruses, and other forms of living organisms in that state. We can't see them with our naked eyes unless we use microscope. So we term them as microorganisms. Let's look at enzymes. Enzymes are chemicals or substances that provide or speed up the rate of chemical reactions. That is why we said that when enzymes combine with oxygen, they speed up the rate of what? Food spoilage. Enzymes speed up the rate of what? Chemical reactions. The chemicals that will combine to spoil the food, enzymes will speed it up. So no wonder that you'll be eating your food and you put the leftover there. The next morning, before you come and pick it, it has gone bad. That is the work of enzymes. Let's look at the effects of eating spoiled food. When you eat spoiled food, what are some of the effects? Some common symptoms of food poisoning include one, abdominal pains, feeling pains in your abdomen. Two, diarrhea, regular visiting of the washroom to poo-poo. Three, vomiting, bringing out foods or water that you've taken in. Four, nausea. Nausea here is feeling to vomit. Though you may not vomit, but you feel like vomiting. Five, you have headaches. Your head will ache, etc. Children, under this tutorial, there are words there. Download them and solve them and present them at the school premises for marking. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will meet in our next tutorial. Until then, bye-bye.